Science fairs for students have been around for a long time and have provided a great venue for budding scientists to showcase their projects and compete at local, provincial, and national levels. In our area, the science fair has been held every year since 1975. Long Sault has always had a good turnout for the fairs. Judging of students' projects is done by local scientists and professionals from various disciplines. All work done for the fair is voluntary, and judging is done according to a standard framework for all of Canada. Alec Ray Pete from Long Sault Public School explains her experiment to determine the effectiveness of sports drinks versus orange juice.
My name is Alex, and this is my experiment, electrolyte Moxie. And in this experiment, I'm testing the amount of electrolytes in 3 sports drinks and orange juice. An electrolyte is a substance that will dissociate into ions in any solution. And electrolytes are what give you energy in your sports drinks. And you lose electrolytes through your sweat. So that's what you get out of your sports drinks. But each sports drink claims to give you the most energy. But which one does? In this experiment, I intend to find out by measuring the amount of electrolytes in each sports drink and orange juice. So, using this circuit. So the first thing I had to do was build my circuit using a multimeter, 2 alligator clips, a battery clip, and a battery, and 2 pieces of 15 centimeter copper wire, and a battery. So to build my circuit, I attached the multimeter to the two alligator clips. I connected the negative alligator clip to a piece of copper wire, which is connected to a pen cap. That is my sensor. On the other side of the pen cap, there is also another piece of copper wire, which is attached to a binder clip, and that is attached to the battery clip, which is attached to the battery, which is attached to the alligator clip. So, the other alligator clip. So, that is the circuit, and I tested each of my liquids, and after I was done, I got my results, and it turns out that orange juice had the most electrolytes, which was surprising because it was the only one out of all 4 liquids that did not advertise electrolytes. So, in conclusion, my hypothesis, which was that Powerade would do the best, was incorrect because it did the second best. The orange juice did the best, Powerade did the second best, the Gatorade did the third best, and the Gatorade 2 did the worst. But if you were doing some hardcore working out and you were thinking of switching to orange juice, I do not recommend it because it can cause bloating, because it is hard to digest when you drink a lot of it because of the acid and the sugars and stuff like that. So next time you see these sports drinks in the store, and they all say on the wrapping that theirs will give you the most energy, you'll know which one is telling the truth.
Everyone who enters the science fair is a winner. Who knows when the next great scientist will emerge?